Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Myths Moving Always on the Move. Today I will take you through my journey from Shimla to Sangla Valley, which is actually a first day of our Spiti Valley tour. As the journey from Shimla to Sangla Valley unfolds, the contrast between the hustle and the bustle of Mumbai and the serene beauty of the mountains is palpable. You find yourself immersed in the world of tranquility as you embark on this adventure. Arriving in Shimla after a delayed journey, exhaustion hangs heavy in the air. Disappointment washes over me as I realize that the delay has thrown off my plans to capture the initial moments of arrival. With a heavy sigh, I decide to prioritize rest and recuperation before diving back into my filming endeavors. A Travelonama, the trip organizers arrange a room for you to freshen up and have a breakfast at the hotel near Narkanda Valley. A pit stop at Narkanda Valley offers a much needed break from the journey. Despite not indulging in a bath, the refreshing mountain breeze revitalizes my senses. The hearty breakfast of paneer parathas and veg parathas served against the backdrop of awe inspiring views invigorates both body and soul. Mr. Divan Negi, our travel guide cum driver cum manager of our entire trip, gave us a briefing on our itinerary after we freshened up and had breakfast. We will be traveling in a 14-seater tempo traveler which picked us up from Shimla and will stay with us throughout our Spiti Valley expedition and back to Shimla. We took a halt at a petrol pump in the mesmerizing Narkanda Valley, where the view was nothing short of breathtaking. The vast expanse of the valley, adorned with apple trees, was a sight to behold. Each tree stood protected by the nets, safeguarding them from the harsh hailstorms and hail damage that this region often faced. While there, we took the opportunity to stretch our legs and make some fun reels capturing the beauty of the valley. We also took a much needed washroom break, enjoying the serene surroundings. The tranquility of the valley combined with the gentle rustling of the apple trees made this stop an unforgettable experience. We came across some bumpy roads which made the drive a bit more challenging. The tires bounced and rattled over the uneven terrain, and we had to slow down and navigate carefully. Despite the rough patches, our spirits remained high. The thrill of journey and the promise of the stunning Sangla Valley kept us motivated. As the tempo traveler continues its ascent, each turn reveals a new panorama, each vista more enchanting than the last. With every passing mile, you feel a sense of wonderment and gratitude for the opportunity to witness such splendor. Rejuvenated, I resumed my journey towards Sangla Valley, eager to explore its hidden treasures. A brief pause for a light lunch allowed me to savor not just the food but also the unparalleled beauty that surrounded the Koj Dhaba. The mountains seemed to whisper tales of ancient wisdom, inviting me to unravel their mysteries. After a delightful lunch, I continued my journey towards Sangla Valley. The road led us through the scenic landscape of Kinnaur, and soon we encountered a beautiful waterfall cascading down the rocky cliffs. Mesmerized by the sight, we decided to stop and take in the breathtaking view. The sound of the rushing water was soothing, and the cool mist in the air was refreshing. We couldn't resist capturing the moment. As we were engrossed in the natural splendor, we noticed some stray dogs nearby. They were furry and cute, adding an extra touch of charm to our stop. Just 10 minutes into our drive, we came across a breathtaking road carved through the mountains. Tourists gathered there, eager to take photos and absorb the beauty of this unique mountain passage. The road resembled a short tunnel exuding its own special charm. It looked like a gigantic hand holding the road together, guiding it through the curve. The scene was both beautiful and dreamy, leaving us in awe of nature's grandeur. After absorbing the beauty of the scene, we continued our journey with our hearts full and spirits high. As the journey progresses towards Sangla Valley, fatigue from the overnight travel from Delhi to Shimla and the day long journey begins to settle in among the travelers. Yet the allure of the mountains and the refreshing cold air keeps our spirits high. Guys, it's an amazing experience. Too good. So, friends, we have reached at Kinnor and Shimla boundary has been crossed. तो अभी हम लोग किन्नौर में हैं.
Hi.
I have my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So
क्या नाम
अभी midst moving.
Okay.
So say everybody say hi, guys.
Hello.
हैं? हेलो क्या होता है? हाय बोलने को बोला था।
Hi था.
Hi. So we are actually having really fun, and सबसे best part is the climate. It's amazing. I'm showing you the climate because you cannot feel it. You have to see it. There's no other option. Dogs are also having fun. लेकिन यहाँ किसी मजे में है एकदम. a scary ride. Look here. It's very bumpy also. Oh my god. Approaching Sangla, we encounter a hydro bridge at Baspa River, a picturesque spot where we decide to take a brief respite. Here, amidst the tranquil surrounding, we indulge in some evening tea, capturing the moments with photographs to cherish later.
इतनी है कि जान बचा उसको अपनी भाई दूसरे की नहीं बचा सकता मैं
उसको आती है बट इतनी नहीं आती कि खुद की जाना
पाइप पे खड़ा
So guys, we are at a second spot. That is, this is an hydro bridge, Hydro Energy Limited, Baspa 2. Look at this. Let me tell you, the climate is extremely good. It's too good. I cannot express my feeling that exactly how good the climate is. You have to enjoy it by visiting this place. We are at Kinnor right now and we are heading towards सांगला होम स्टे. बाकी सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको वहाँ पे जाके बताऊँगी. यहाँ पे वीडियोग्राफी में खुद को इन्वॉल्व करना थोड़ा पॉसिबल नहीं था. So I will collate the video and give you all the information how to reach at Spiti and what all you can expect out of a group Spiti trip. So stay tuned to my channel Mit's Moving, always on the move. Ciao. ये होम स्टे में हम लोग आए हैं. The rooms are pretty clean and being a solo traveler there is an advantage here. मुझे अकेले को एक रूम दिया है and I'm very happy about it. So finally, after a long journey, I have reached the first homestay at Sangla. ये जो हमारे ट्रैवल गाइड है नेगी जी, दीवान नेगी जी, उनकी कोई कजिन सिस्टर है जिनका ये होमस्टे है. लुक्स तो वेरी नाइस. अभी सांगला में ऑलमोस्ट 8 डिग्री टेम्परेचर है, सो लेट्स सी, आई हैव टू फ्रेशन अप सो दैट आई विल फील बेटर. The delicious meal serves as a comforting end to a long day of travel, filling both stomachs and hearts with contentment. Despite the fatigue of the journey, there's an underlying sense of excitement for the adventures that await in the days to come. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Myths Moving, always on the move.